Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. Breaking news, Rlusd might be closer than you realize, and it involves XRP. This alpha is unique, nobody else has it. On the 2-Bit Crypto channel, we have it in our possession. Please allow me to explain all that is happening and the reasoning behind our belief that Rlusd will be available on those cryptocurrency exchanges in the coming days or weeks. Here in this channel, we have all the alpha for you. Please subscribe and like the video. Comment below if you haven't already. Why? Leave a comment explaining your XRP bullishness. We'll dive into this one now. First and foremost, I want to thank Ripple Steady Coin Tracker. Someone spotted a transfer of $500,000 Rlusd from the RLUS Treasury to a wallet that isn't publicly known. And this is the deal. The RLUSD1 represents the Treasury's wallet for Rlusd, and you can see the transaction hash and the date it has gone through. Along with that, we have been keeping an eye on this for a time. Significant amounts of XRP are now being moved, as you can see. But please, Rlusd, I'm withdrawing them from my wallet in batches of 500,000 or 260,200 or 40,000 or several others. They've all occurred within the past few days, which is just insane. At this point, everyone is wondering, what are there? At last, stuff is being moved out, and you can see that we have a payment mechanism. As it leaves the Treasury wallet and returns to the issuer, you may track its journey and get alerts about it. Some of these exchangers may be seeing this firsthand now, according to conjecture. Keep in mind that initially, our USD ads will only be offered to institutions, per Brad Garlinghouse. This won't be accessible to the general public. Instead, it will only be available to institutional investment funds that will likely make it available through exchanges like Coinbase, but will not open it up to individual investors. We'll need to keep a careful watch on how these funds handle this. View the incoming RL and USD tokens, among many others, and much, much more. Considering that it is beginning to pass through and that some of these major shifts have already occurred, this is definitely quite intriguing. That being said, this is really insane. Keep in mind that earlier today we heard Grayscale announce that they are seeking other investment opportunities. Among the companies mentioned were RV maker Dow and many more. In my opinion, we are now very near to seeing Rlusd. At the moment, stablecoins are experiencing a strong surge in value, which could lead to USDT having no use in Europe and a lot of other places. There has never been a better time for a stablecoin debut than now. This is quite noteworthy, so we're looking forward to its release with great anticipation. There are a lot of folks who are very confident in its appearance. It appears that Uphold will once again disable staking in response to threats from the current SEC. I suppose this could be good news. We already know that Kamala Harris has marginally revised her stance on the matter, and this week, we may expect a wave of conference noise. Does it include this? Is Brad or the Rlusd team about to make some incredibly wild announcement? Monday, XRP is predicted to increase more than 2%. Sells for more than 54 cents. Within the next few moments, we will examine the graph. The good news is that Bitcoin has broken back above 66,000 again today. Again, though, a lot of people are beginning to wonder what waves may bring. Is a major announcement finally on the way? Do you think Rlusd or anything else will be the main point of discussion? Who will it be? The trust monies are far more important. Annually, officials from Ripple unveil new products and discuss changes to existing ones at Ripple Swell, the company's flagship event. Recent developments include AMM improvements and institutional holdings of Bitcoin, including custom-grade holdings for banks and a plethora of other information. Indeed, this has the potential to be quite significant. According to the report, Ripple revealed their plans to cater to small and medium-sized businesses at last year's event. The importance of Dubai as a crypto hub to the long-term viability of climate financing was affirmed by an expert panel. Pardon me, but I'm an emeritus UAE citizen. On October 15th and 16th, Miami will host Ripple Swell. Keep an eye on the channel since we will be sure to update you here. When I show you this, it could be even more insane than this already is. This, I'm sure many of you have seen before. Google removed the Bitcoin price chart from their website, which many of you probably already knew. Looking at the chart on Google is just not going to cut it. Well, would you believe it? You are free to visit. Indeed, XRP remains in circulation. This is fascinating. Reasons why the XRP price chart will remain intact after denomination, but the Bitcoin price chart would be removed. Fascinating, really. Also, make sure that it's tied to a rise in budget. Cryptocurrency prices and markets aren't the only ones where rate traders are going long. It appears that they are long XRP. With the narrative changing during the presidential election, a lot of people are extremely excited. With an 11-point lead, Donald Trump is in the lead. We all know that he will fire Gary Gensler, who is responsible for the current narrative's negative portrayal of XRP. What gives with the price, then? Here we go again, we're shaping this. And this W-shaped pattern, which we have been discussing, is awaiting a breakout. What's intriguing is that Bitcoin has recently broken out, so we're anticipating a move on BTC when it retests the 67 zone, and XRP is also trying to break out. Now, because those exchange-traded funds don't exist, it will never move as violently as Bitcoin has recently. When this product launches, we will know it is backed by XRP because of the grayscales, trust, and more than $2 million USD. It will undoubtedly play a crucial role in bolstering the XRPL ecology, about which I have raved for what seems like an eternity. This week may be really wild for the cryptocurrency market and XRP in particular. All it takes is for the SEC to crack a random lucrative case or unearth something long lost, who knows what they'll find, for XRP to finally receive the breakout it needs. But be careful. A major shift is imminent, in my opinion, for XRP. An impressive 3% increase for the day. Bitcoin is seeing the entrance of optimistic institutions. So, what else are these establishments trying to purchase? Yeah, XRP is correct. Post your thoughts in the space provided. The level of optimism, are you still on RL? I'm interested in hearing your thoughts on USD. The fact that it was announced not even a few months ago, and, suddenly, it could be available in stores very soon, is insane. My video would not have been seen without you. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.